Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to decrease audio volume in Premiere Pro. It is a very simple process. As you can see, I have a video clip and some music here, but the music is currently too loud. To lower the volume for your entire timeline, head over to the mix section. If it isn't visible, use the scroll bar to find it. You can reduce the levels by dragging the slider to the left. For example, I will drop it by 8 decibels, which sounds much better. You can also adjust clips individually. To do this, drag the volume line on the specific audio track. Double-clicking the track will expand it, giving you a better view of the controls. I will drag this down to -20 dB. Note that this only affects the specific clip you are editing. If you have other audio clips, they will remain unchanged unless you adjust them separately or use the main mix slider for a global change. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.